Hi, this is Jeremy with Toriar Marketing Solutions. So I'm doing a website review for Bravo Tax in Anaheim, California for Orange County. I actually talked to Danielle and asked her if I could send them this video. So let's get right into it. So the three things I'm going to talk about is content, citations, and backlinks. All three of these will help your website get found by your customers online. Um, so right here's your website. So we're looking for content. So we're looking at more wording, more keywords. Um, so as I'm going through, you've got a decent paragraph on each one. Um, However, we'll go into keywords here in a minute. Your keywords might be a little bit lacking on your content. So we'll go into that here in just a minute. Um, but yeah, your content looks pretty good. As far as citations, so over here, I looked for an accountant in Orange County. That's what you want to get found for. That's people who are looking for an accountant in Orange County. Um, so one of the first, usually they show you ads above this, but in this case they didn't. So anytime there's a high volume search, they're going to show you the Google Map Pack, which is this right here. And they're always going to show you the first three listings. These are actually get easier to rank than down here is. So this is your actual organic listings. Um, so what's a citation, you may ask? A citation is where your name, address, and phone number is on an online directory somewhere. So the more of those you have, the higher up on this map pack you're going to be. And obviously, these first three spots are the coveted spots. So we've got the CPA Corner firm here. They're right there in that top spot. So let's see if we can find out why. Okay. So one of the tools that I use is whitespark.ca. So here's you guys. You guys actually have 37 citations, okay, and they have 7. Now, both citations and backlinks, they're not all created equal. So I'm not sure why their 7 is putting them in that top spot as far as why your 37 isn't. My immediate assumption is that these 7 right here are top quality citations from high-end directories, and your 37 are from lower end. That's the first assumption, but it shouldn't take that much work to beat them out if you've already got 37. If we can get the same 7 they have, you're gonna beat them out of the water on that map pack. So so next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at so now here's the organic rankings. So this guy right here has the first organic ranking past Yelp, the first organic ranking for Orange County in California. So we're going to take a look at his website real quick. Okay, so um, he seems to have a lot of content here, a little bit more than you guys actually, um, or maybe yours is just spread out more, but it looks a little wordier. Um, but let's actually dive in and see if we can look a little deeper into that. So here's your page on SEO Quake. This is actually a free tool. You guys can get this yourselves. SEO Quake. Um, so let's look at your keyword density. You got tax coming up quite a bit. That's pretty good. Um, I don't even know what these words are. I know what they are. I'll explain this here in just a minute. Um, I know exactly why you're ranking for these keywords. So these look like just a bunch of mumbo jumbo, right? Well, what this actually is, it's Latin, is what it is. Um, and you're like, why in the world am I ranking for Latin? Well, getting ready to show you. So normally I try to keep these videos at 5 to 8 minutes, but I wanted to show you this in particular because this is something you can fix today. Look at this. That's why you're ranking for Latin. That one paragraph right there has got you ranking for Latin words because of this right here. And you probably got some other spots. I didn't really go through the whole website, but you probably got some other spots that that are showing some Latin stuff too, where basically on your website creation site, it's got the Latin in there as an example, and somebody didn't put actual wording in there. That's usually what happens in those situations. So let's take a look at your competitor here. So they've got CPA is their first word, and they're getting 25 repeats of CPA. Now I didn't see CPA in your site, so I'm assuming you guys aren't CPAs. They have tax in there as well, but it looks like they're actually ranking higher than you are for it. Um, so on to the next thing, which is backlinks. Let's go ahead and look in here. We're using SEO Quake still. So this is you. You have zero backlinks, okay? Your competitor has 51. That's why they're ranking, because they got 51. If we can get you the same 51 they have or different ones, it doesn't really matter. It does matter because they're not created the same, um, but if we can get you around 60 backlinks or so, we'll put you right on the top of that Orange County accountant page. Um, but that's really important right there is that zero versus that 51. Okay. So, and then next thing we're going to look at an overall snapshot here. So this actually gives you a different number of backlinks, but for backlinks I usually use SEO Quake. So as you can see here, it's showing you has 12. They have 69. Okay, they have 112 keywords. You have you don't even have any organic keywords actually, is what it's showing. And you're getting nobody from search engine traffic coming to your website. And this is global. This is for any keyword, any location, anything. You have nobody coming to your website without specifically paid advertising. Okay. And it's not even showing PPC advertising. Um, so right here, they've got two people coming to their website every month, and they're in the top spot. So I don't know why they're only getting two in the top spot. Maybe because maybe something to do with their site. Um, yeah, their site looks a little too wordy actually to me. Like they don't have it flow well. It just looks like a lot of words and a lot of small print that you have to read. A lot of people don't want to read all that, so they just go on to the next one. Plus, you don't even see the picture of any of the accountants on here. That's kind of bad for business. Anyway, I'm getting off track here, but so we want to get you to where you're in that top spot and you got a good website and you're top ranking and you're at the top of that Google Map Pack. If you've got both Google Map Pack and organic, you're going to get a lot of traffic, and then your website sells them from that point. Um, so the whole idea is get you more customers in the door. Now you can use some of these tools that I showed you and this education that I gave you for free today. Use it yourself if you want, or you can we can talk and see what we can do to move forward. If you want, you can give me a call. My number is 317-517-5259, or you can just reply to this email. All right. Have a great day.